Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to add cinematic black bars in Capcut. First, open Capcut, then import your project. Then click on your video. Now click on mask from the right side and select this mask option. Then select keyframe, and after some frames, drag your mask like this. Here is the preview.
That's it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.